Welcome to Harris Ranch, one of Boise's most sought after communities, nestled perfectly between the foothills and the Boise River, right here in Barber Valley, where outdoor living, convenience, and community all come together. At the heart of the neighborhood is Lucky 13, one of the original establishments in Harris Ranch. You'll find neighbors biking over to meet friends, relax on the outdoor patio, and enjoy their famous pizza. Inside, the bar is always buzzing, catching every sports game you can imagine. The Mill District is one of the many charming pockets within Harris Ranch. Here you'll find some of the original patio homes full of character, tree-lined streets, and a true sense of community. Right in the center is a beautiful community pool, perfect for summer days and neighborhood gatherings. Just around the corner, the Ranch Market is your go-to for everyday essentials, or grabbing a bottle of wine on the way home. And the Coffee Mill, a local favorite hangout spot where neighbors connect, work remotely, or ease into their mornings. Across the way are two of our personal favorites, Koa Cantina serving up fresh, vibrant Mexican food and some incredible margaritas, and Sushi Shack, bringing some of the best sushi in Boise, always fresh and always a hit. Harris Ranch also offers thoughtful living options like the Terraces, an 11-acre assisted living community that provides all levels of care, making it easy to keep loved ones close. Just minutes away is Marianne Williams Park, a stunning 72-acre park along the Boise River. With scenic walking paths, open green space, and the perfect picnic spots, it's a favorite for locals year-round. Along Warm Springs, you'll discover a blend of townhomes and condos paired with everyday convenience. Home to local favorite restaurant House of a Little Pig, a variety of fitness studios like Bar 3, Carve Legree, and Pivot Lifestyle and Fitness, plus the brand new Dallas Harris Elementary just minutes away. And up in the foothills, Harris North offers the newest homes with larger lots and incredible city views built by Boise Hunter Homes. People enjoy Harris Ranch because you are 15 minutes to Lucky Peak Reservoir for boating and fishing, 7 minutes to Warm Springs Golf Course, or 15 minutes to downtown Boise or Boise State. River access to foothill living in Northeast Boise, Harris Ranch truly has something for everyone.